Post-Maurya, the Shunga Dynasty. The Shunga Dynasty was a ruling dynasty in ancient India that succeeded the Mauryan Empire. The Shungas ruled from approximately 185 BCE to 73 BCE and primarily controlled the northern and central regions of the Indian subcontinent. Here are some key aspects of the Shunga dynasty. Founding and rise to power. The Shunga dynasty was founded by Pushyamitra Shunga, who was the commander-in-chief of the last Mauryan emperor, Brihadratha. Pushyamitra Shunga assassinated Brihadratha and established himself as the ruler, marking the beginning of the Shunga dynasty. Political and military achievements. The Shunga dynasty faced several challenges to its authority, including regional revolts and external threats. However, the Shunga rulers were able to consolidate their power and successfully defend their territories. They maintained a strong military and extended their control over various regions, including Magad, Vidarbha, and parts of central India. Patronage of Buddhism. Shunga rulers were known for their patronage of Buddhism. They supported the Buddhist monastic community and sponsored the construction and renovation of Buddhist stupas, viharas, monastic complexes, and chaitya halls. Buddhist texts and scriptures were translated into the local language, which helped in the spread and preservation of Buddhist teachings. Art and architecture. The Shunga period witnessed the development of unique art forms and architectural styles. The art of the Shunga period incorporated elements from the preceding Mauryan art tradition while also reflecting local artistic influences. Sculptures and reliefs from this period depict Buddhist and Hindu deities, as well as secular subjects. The Bharhut Stupa in Madhya Pradesh, adorned with intricate carvings and reliefs, is one of the notable examples of Shunga art. Literature and language. The Shunga dynasty contributed to the development and refinement of the Sanskrit language and literature. Prominent works of literature, such as the Mahabhashya, a commentary on Panini's grammar by Patanjali, and the Brihadratha, a collection of stories by Gunadhya, are believed to have been composed during this period. Decline and successor states. Decline of the Shunga dynasty began with internal conflicts and power struggles. Regional governors and local rulers started asserting their independence, leading to the fragmentation of the empire. The Shunga dynasty was eventually overthrown by the Kamvas, who established their own dynasty in northern India. The Shunga dynasty played a significant role in the post-Mauryan period of Indian history. While its rule was relatively short-lived, the Shungas made important contributions to the arts, literature, and the promotion of Buddhism. Their patronage of Buddhism helped in the preservation and dissemination of Buddhist teachings, which continued to have a lasting impact on Indian culture and religious traditions.